Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take HK Vitals collagen. First, locate the scoop provided in your collagen container. You'll want to use 1 level scoop of the powder. Next, prepare about 200 milliliters of water, juice, or your favorite smoothie. This amount helps ensure proper mixing and a pleasant drinking experience. Remember, getting the right dosage is the first step to integrating collagen into your daily routine effectively. Once you've measured your collagen and liquid, it's time to mix. Pour the powder into your chosen beverage. Stir it well for at least 30 seconds to ensure it fully dissolves. If you prefer, a shaker bottle can make this process even easier and quicker, especially when you're busy. The goal is a smooth, clump-free drink. Don't worry about temperature. Collagen is stable in both hot and cold liquids. For optimal results, many find it beneficial to take HK Vitals collagen first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows for efficient absorption. However, if mornings are too hectic, consuming it before bed can also be effective, supporting your body's natural repair cycles overnight. The most important aspect is consistency. Make it a daily habit, whether it's with your breakfast or as part of your evening routine, to truly see the difference. Consistent use of HK Vitals collagen can lead to noticeable improvements in your skin's elasticity and hydration, stronger hair, and healthier nails. Beyond beauty, it plays a vital role in supporting joint comfort and maintaining robust bone health, contributing to your overall well-being. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Making collagen a daily habit is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.